Today I thought I'd be talking about my survival folding knives that I have. This one was made by Ozark Trails. It's got a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, bottle opener, half and half straight, half serration. It's got some jimping along the spine right there, single stud, flashlight, fire starter, it's another Ozark Trail, bottle opener, flashlight, fire starter, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, dual thumb studs, another half serration, half straight edge, liner lock, same as this one, they're both liner locks. The Stroud, Camillus, Desert Survival, I think that's what it was called, I don't remember. It's got a little notch for putting a ferro rod. Dual thumb stud, liner lock, there's its ferro rod, that's the Stroud. There's another Stroud. This one was called the Bushman. Dual thumb studs, a jipping, the little group for the fire starter, straight edge, liner lock, there's its fire starter and whistle. That's the Bushman, Stroud one. And here's my Black Legion fire starting knife. Single stud, straight edge, liner lock, here's its fire starter and whistle. This whistle could be a little hard to blow into. It's also assisted opening. That's my fire starting survival folding knives. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you like, subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you.